Hi, this is GreatMZ Gamer, and today I'm going to show you how to install Sodium mod that will improve your FPS in Minecraft. Step number 1. Where is your Minecraft launcher? Well, we can find that by clicking Properties, and then you can follow this where it is. It might be the same, but it likely won't. So let's go to File Explorer and this PC, and let's follow it. We go to C, we go to Program Files, we go to Minecraft Launcher, and there it is. Perfect. Then here is where Minecraft Launcher usually creates these 4 folders or files, and we want runtime. From there we want ERE, and there we want bin. Now from here we want the file javav. Now we're gonna need this file location later. Now we're going to go to Google Chrome or whatever browser you like to use, and we will search for Fabric Minecraft. And here we have my fabricmc.net. We're going to go to that website, and there is installation. To install Fabric, you need Fabric Loader, and you click here to load it. And from here, you will click Download Installer Universal Jar. You want to keep that file, and we're just gonna throw it into the desktop. There we go. Next, we're going to open with another app, more apps, look for another app, and now we will go into this location that we just searched for, and like Launcher, Runtime, ERE, Bin, and from here we should be able to find javav and open. After this, Fabric Installer should start. From here you will click Install, and that's it. Now you have Fabric installed. The next step is to load Sodium. So let's go Fabric, Sodium, and here we should have CurseForge, Sodium. So here you go, Files, and from Files you see it's 1.16.3, but don't worry because right here it reads it's 16.4. So we're gonna download that one. We're gonna wait for a second for it to load all the ads. After that is done, we'll once again keep it and move to this. Now that part is done. After that, we will go to %appdata%. It should open roaming where you have .minecraft. In here, you want to create a new folder and you want to call it mods. And you open that file, and in here you will create a new folder and call it Sodium. This is where you're going to point Fabric to for its own installation, or where it will run, from where it will run the Sodium mod. And then here we will make a new folder and we will call it mods, as this will become your quote-unquote .minecraft for Fabric Launcher, as right now this would be by default the Fabric Launcher's .minecraft. Next up, we're going to search for options.txt, and we want to copy it, and we want to take that, not to the mod, take it right here next to the mods. Into the mods goes Sodium. There we go. And now we will launch Minecraft. Now that we're in this page, here you should have Fabric Loader 1.16.4, but we're actually going to modify that a little bit. So we're going to go here, we click Edit, and then we click Browse over here, where the game directory is. And here we want to set it to Sodium, where we have the mods folder. We click OK. Then more options, and usually I like having 2 GB, and I recommend having 2 GB. And that's everything we're gonna change here. After that, you're just gonna launch Minecraft and the Sodium is now installed. We're just gonna wait. And there we go. So now we have options, and we can see the FOV that I normally use, which is 90, is here. We can see from here, auto jump is off, and all settings that I have changed exist. Also, as you can see from this window, is that Sodium is working, and you don't need to pre-launch the Fabric loader for installing Sodium, as all settings are already here. And also these settings are different compared to the vanilla thing. So if we go to single player and we make a new world, we call it whatever, and make it amplified so it's extra hard to run. Then we wait a bit again. And there we go. Now we're loaded up into a world, and here we go. 300 FPS, isn't that nice? So the world is still loading, so the frame rate should go down just a little bit. But as you can see, frame rate is extremely high. Just like that. Very, very high. Sometimes it will drop to 150 or so. Also, when you have the more entities you have, the lower it's gonna eventually drop. So as long as it's just blocks, your frame rate should stay above 100. Unless you have integrated GPU in your CPU, then Fabric is not going to make as big of a change as for dedicated GPU users, but it still is an improvement. And Optifine doesn't really stand a chance against it. So that's about it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this worked for you.